By now, you understand how GrowTrack is structured. You know what gardens are. You know how beds bring precision. You know how plantings activate the system. And Rowan sits on top of all of this. Rowan is not a shortcut and not a replacement for setup. Rowan is your garden's intelligence. Rowan understands your growing spaces, your beds and your plantings. Everything Rowan says is grounded in information you have already provided. This is what makes Rowan different. Rowan doesn't give generic advice. Rowan responds to your garden. Rowan lives in the More tab by design, and the More tab is where insight, support and advanced tools belong. This keeps the main tabs focused and calm. When you ask Rowan a question, Rowan looks at context first. What garden are you asking about? What bed is involved? What's planted there and when? This context allows Rowan to explain what GrowTrack is showing you, why a task exists, why an alert matters, and why recommendations appear. Rowan is especially useful when something feels unclear. If an alert catches your attention and you're not sure what it means, ask Rowan. If a crop struggles and you want guidance, ask Rowan. If you're unsure whether to act now or wait, ask Rowan. Rowan also works with photos. Photos give Rowan visual context. They allow Rowan to help identify problems and patterns. They turn vague questions into specific guidance. Rowan improves as your data improves. Better garden definitions, more accurate beds, updated plantings. All of this strengthens Rowan's understanding. It is also important to understand what Rowan does not do. Rowan does not guess without context. Rowan does not override your decisions. Rowan does not replace your observations. Rowan supports your judgment. It does not remove it. The best way to use Rowan is alongside the dashboard. Let the dashboard highlight what matters. Use Rowan to understand why. Together, they reduce uncertainty and increase confidence. At this point, you understand the foundation of GrowTrack, how it is structured, how it thinks, how it guides. Every other feature builds on this understanding. When you're ready, you can move on to the planning tools and deeper features, knowing that they all fit into the same system that you now understand.